Hey guys, welcome, and today I brought you an Anker product, and that is the SoundCore Liberty Neo earbuds. Now it's one amazing earbuds in terms of when I've used them. Even before purchasing, there were a lot of good reviews, and compared to the another Anker product that I reviewed earlier, those are not up to the mark. But this one is right. This is the one. Now, if you look at the box itself, the casing, it's a bit chunkier than the branded ones like the Apple or the Samsung. Keep in mind that if you're going to be keeping this in your pocket, it's going to be like disturbing, bulged out rather than slim piece. So looking at the front side, it does have a 3 LED battery status indicator. On the back side, you'll have some rubberized sealing. Once you open that up, you'll have a micro USB charging port. So no Type-C in this case. Now opening it, it's held by magnets, and after opening the details, once you open it, it like stops at its position. So even though it won't close by itself, even the earbuds, I'm holding them upside down, it's not falling off. So also earbuds held by magnets. So it's really amazing to know that. It's got a small button at the front. What that does is basically when you close it shut, there's a piece here that presses that button to show you the battery status. So that's good. And opening it back up, yeah, this is what you get. It's a bit also chunkier compared to any other ones, but I like the design of this because once you fit them in, it really sits into your ear canal. So it's really impressive to see that. But keep in mind that there's one thing that I don't like, is that it's not capacitive touch. It's a button, so you're going to be pressing it, and once you do press it, it can hurt a little bit. So keeping that in mind, not that hard button, but for some people who don't like that, a bit more pressing inwards, yeah, that's the thing to note. And the last thing I would like to note is that there will be like the tips for that, different sizes, and for those who have even larger ear, there's also a separate rubber thingies that you can see for fitting also over here even more better. So there's a lot of options that you get, so they really have thought into this. Now in terms of the music or the sound, now this is one really good, whoever wants to use it for music, and also you can say cancel all the noise from the environment, like if you're in a busy street or in a loud place, this will definitely block those noise. So it's really good to know that, and it's really worth to have these in your pockets compared to the other one. So it does have also noise cancellation, by the way, if anybody's into that stuff. There's a mic, you can see that. So noise cancelling effect, definitely you guys must know that. And in terms of charging, this earbud can last, for me as an average user, it lasts more than 3 hours, and especially not at higher volume settings, maybe about 20, not 20, but 30 to 40%, and it still lasts more than 3 hours. This one states maybe about 4 hours, so that is maybe in the max volume. So if you guys are looking for extended periods of time, yes, it can last longer, but keep in mind, do not damage your ears. Use it or change it frequent as possible. Major things that I would like to note, that this earbuds is IPX5 rating, so yeah, you can go for a shower or on the rain run, no issues there. So yeah, for sports player, yeah, you can use them even though when you're sweating, no issues there. Now this one also has a Graphene Driver enhanced one, so definitely that's why the music is always greater now in bass. So anybody is like into bass music, that's good also. And the last thing, Bluetooth 5.0, and this case, along the case, it can last you about 12 hours, claimed by Anker. For me, I would recommend this earbuds over the other Anker. Now if you have any questions regarding this earbuds, comment below so I can respond to them. And if you guys are interested in purchasing that as well, I'll link in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found this informative, and catch you guys in the next video.